Welcome to the How-To series of Log360 Cloud. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install extensions from the marketplace to enhance your organization's security capabilities. Log360 Cloud is now a customizable security platform that enables organizations to create new extensions or integrate existing ones from the marketplace. This flexibility enhances security visibility and user experience. Extensions come in two types, the first being native extensions, which add new functionality to Log360 Cloud, like custom reports, alert profiles, correlation rules, widgets, or even full applications. And secondly, third-party application extensions, which help bring in data from external security or business apps for a unified monitoring experience. Now let's walk you through how to install an extension from the marketplace. Log into your Log360 Cloud console with admin credentials, navigate to the Settings tab, and in the left pane select Admin, Marketplace, and lastly All Extensions. Now this page will display all the available extensions in the marketplace. Browse the marketplace and choose the extension that you want to install. Click Install, review the terms and conditions, and then click Install to proceed with it. If you would like to make changes before installation, you can do so by clicking on Customize to tweak extension components like reports, widgets, and log formats based on your organization's requirements. Once you're ready, click Continue to install to finalize setup. You will be redirected to the Installed Extensions tab where the extension will now appear. In the Installed Extensions page, you can confirm the status and details of the extension. Then, based on what the extension includes, like log formats, reports, alert profiles, correlation rules, custom widgets, web tabs, or applications, you can navigate to the respective tabs in Log360 Cloud to see it in action. Want to develop your own extension or publish it for others? Get in touch with us today.